Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation 49 power x minus 49 power x minus 1 equal to 16,464. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and focus on this part over here. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and manipulate this one. And now let's recall this product rule. According to this rule, this could be written as 49 power x times 49 power negative 1. And now we can see that 49 power negative 1 could be written as 1 over 49, as you can see in this next step. So therefore, this original equation could be written as the first term. I'm going to leave it as it is, 49 power x, and this second term I'm going to replace by this whole thing. This could be written as negative 49 power x times 1 over 49 equals to 16,464. And now we can see that this 49 power x and this 49 power x is in common. So therefore we can factor out 49 power x, and inside the parentheses we are left with 1 minus 1 over 49 equals to, once again, 16,464. Now let's focus on this number inside this parentheses, and here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and simplify it. And now we can see that this one could be written as 49 divided by 49. We can see that our simplified answer could be 48 divided by 49. Therefore, we can write this thing as 49 power x times, I'm going to replace this whole part by this 48 divided by 49 equals to 16,464 on the right hand side. And now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is going to be 49 divided by 48 on this side, and likewise 49 divided by 48 on this side as well. And here we can see they cancel each other out, and here 48 goes into this number by 343. Therefore we are left with, on the left hand side, 49 power x equals to, on the right hand side, 343 times 49. Now we can see that this 49 could be written as 7 square, and this 343 could be written as 7 power 3. Therefore we can write this on the left hand side, 7 square whole power x, and on the right hand side this could be written as 7 power 3 times 7 power 2. Now let's recall this power rule. So our left hand side could be written as 7 power 2 times x becomes 2x equals to, on the right hand side we are going to apply the product rule. We can add their exponents, so this is going to become 7 power 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we can see our bases on both sides are same, so therefore we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore we can write 2x equals to 5. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 2. So our x value turns out to be simply 5 divided by 2. So thus our solution turns out to be 5 divided by 2. Or it could be written as 2.5. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.